Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Battleye. While launching the game, you got an error of update failed. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, if you have installed any third-party antivirus into your system, make sure you completely uninstall it. After uninstalling third-party antivirus, open up your Windows security and over here also go to manage settings and turn off real-time protection. After doing so, you need to do a reset of your router, and to do so, turn off your router, unplug it from the electricity and press and hold the power key for about 20 seconds. After doing so, again plug your router with the electricity and connect it with your system and try to launch the game to fix out the issue. If this simple step doesn't help you fix out the issue, in next step I recommend to use a VPN, and for a VPN use Proton VPN as it is completely free to use. Go ahead, download it, and once downloaded, connect it with your PC and then launch the game, and the issue hopefully will be fixed by now. If this VPN doesn't work, first of all, in next step, uninstall the Proton VPN, and after uninstalling, right click on start menu, choose option run. Type here ncpa.cpl and then you need to hit the enter key. Now here whichever your Wi-Fi is, right click and go to its properties. Now here first of all, you need to uncheck the option TCP/IP v6. Now click on the option TCP/IP v4 and go to its properties. Now we are going to use the Google DNS, so select the second option over here and type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. After doing so, hit the OK button. Now close it. Now click on start menu, type CMD, and from here you need to choose the option run as administrator. Now type here a command ipconfig /flush DNS and then hit the enter key. That's all you have to do. Now go ahead and close the CMD, restart your game, and the issue of Battleye update failed will be completely fixed. So that's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.